already you know about me. In last video you seen, okay, so half part had been completed. In that remaining half part I will complete here. Okay, about COVID-19. Okay, if suppose in the market new virus launched, that is Marona 20, let us assume Marona 20 new virus is launched in the market. What scientists they will do? They will do RNA, DNA, strain analysis. Okay, it consumes lot of time. Okay, let us assume 1 year it takes time of 1 year. Okay, till that time what happens? Death rate will be increased. Okay, so in order to predict this one, I suggested one reference. What is the adhesive property? I suggested one reference, adhesive property. Okay, how we will use this adhesive property means, basic thing we all know, that is sanitizer. What is the function of sanitizer? It kills the virus. Okay, fine. If we add adhesive chemical to the sanitizer, we can generate new chemical which is in the form of liquid or gas. Generally we prefer liquid. Okay, by forming the new chemical in the liquid form, by adding of sanitizer and adhesive, we can collect the virus and we can kill the virus. Okay, and we can stop spreading of the virus. How we will stop? By combination of these two, we will spray surroundings, and due to the attraction nature, that is adhesive property, and destructing means killing, both these two property combinationally will stop spreading of the virus. Okay, now you understood. Okay, adhesiveness means attraction. Okay, attraction between two dissimilar substance. Okay, similarly if the person is affected by virus, okay, what we have to do? We have to, what generally scientists they will do? They will generate vaccine, that is pharmaceutical drug. Okay, based upon RNA, DNA and strain analysis. Okay, it takes one year time. Okay, more than 1 year. Okay, instead of that, if you consider only 2 points, adhesive to virus and destruction of virus, only these two properties, based upon these two properties we can generate pharmaceutical drug, that is vaccine. Okay, this is temporarily. Okay, they are doing analysis, that is permanent. This is temporarily. This temporarily is valid for the persons who are severely affected by virus. Okay, but this is valid for both temporary and permanent. How? Means we can stop spreading of virus. Our first intention is stop spreading of virus. For that, I recommend sanitizer plus adhesive chemical. Okay, by combination of these two chemicals, okay, we can generate new chemical that will be stopping spreading of virus. This is very valid one. This approach should be there. Okay, this is temporary. This is for the persons who are affected for serious, affected very severe. Okay, this is my motto of the concept. Okay, the main motto is ideology. The approach of the scientist should be this. I recommend. I won't say this is very efficient one, but I recommend this is the way the scientist should approach. Thank you.